everyone, it's Len from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be diagnosing a speaker issue. We have no noise or sound coming from the front speakers, and we have sound coming from the rear speakers. So I'm going to try to show you how to diagnose this, and if you need any parts, you can always come down and visit us at 1aauto.com. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to test these speakers. We have a known good speaker from the rear, which we know worked, and we have a speaker that was in the front, which we were having an issue with. I wanted to mention one thing. When I was removing the wiring harnesses from it, I took note of which connector had the positive wire going to it, which was the red in this case. I marked it on both of these. You can use something as simple as a crayon, marker, nail polish, whatever your preference. We can do something as simple as a pop test. You can use a 9-volt battery. The big head on the 9-volt battery is the negative side, and the small head is the positive side. So first what we're going to do is we're going to use the known good speaker so we can see if this test works. So with the negative first, I just wrap the wire right around it. Just give yourself a little bit of a tug, feels good. I'm going to connect it to the negative side. I made a little U here, or a hook, you can call it what you want. I'm just going to slide it over the wiring piece right there where the connector goes on. Next I'll use another hook on my other test wire. This is just basic wire. I didn't take it from this car, I grabbed it from someplace else. But anyways, I'm going to slide it over the positive side inside the connector. And then we're going to listen for an audible sound. You don't need to hold it on there. Put that back on. A little pinch. There we are. You don't need to hold it on. We're just listening for an audible thump. Here we go. I heard it. Do you hear it? One more time. We know this speaker right here works. The next step, we're going to test our speaker that we were wondering if it works or not. If this does not make that audible sound, then you have a known bad speaker. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to switch over to our speaker that we're going to be testing. I'm going to do the same exact thing, taking note that the negative wire is connected to the negative side. I marked the positive side. I'm going to go about the same process as the other side. Keep the battery off to the side. I'm going to connect this over. Now we're going to listen. I hear nothing. I hear birds. So, at this point we've confirmed that this speaker is no good. We're going to move our battery out of the way, making sure that we disconnect the positive from it and it can't fall down and touch anything together on a metal surface. And now we've just confirmed that we have one known good speaker and one known bad speaker. At this point, you would want to replace this speaker, and then you can further your diagnosis from there. Now that we just finished up testing that speaker, and we tested the harness in the back, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to do the same test. I'm going to have a ground, and then I'm going to go to the positive wire. I'm going to check for power. Stick it in here. It's lighting up. Now I'm going to use the speaker from the rear. I'm going to try plugging it in. The connector's the same, the speaker's the exact same in this model, so that's great. I don't know if you can hear it or not. It's my jam. So now we've confirmed that the speaker that was in the front is no good. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and replace this speaker. Turn this off. We'd want to replace the bad speaker with a new speaker, and you should be good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.